It's my second visit to Tsukiji Market, and this time it was rainy and quiet with many shops closed for the public holiday. Despite the rain, the market's charm was undeniable. I started my food crawl with freshly made sushi platter from one of the sushi restaurants lining the street. With perfectly seasoned rice and melt-in-your-mouth and fresh fish, there's no better way to start my day. Other options are available if raw fish is not for you in the morning. Hubby went for tempura tendon, crispy tempura on a bed of tender rice, a perfect blend of textures and flavors. Next up was grilled onagi, tender and smoky and another must-try at the market. I ended my visit with an array of traditional desserts at Tsumugi, a spacious and modern cafe adjacent to the market. We spent an hour there waiting for the rain to stop. Even in lousy weather, Tsukiji Market still remains an old favorite spot of mine in Tokyo.